Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydroform here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off PvP in Minecraft Pocket Edition in Realm. So, if you have been playing on my Realm, you'll know that this is the Realm world. Well, I have downloaded this Realm world, and so basically, what most of you guys do not know is that if you're the owner of the Realm, you basically have operator commands, and these do not require cheats whatsoever. So, do not worry about that. You'll still have achievements on, and cheats will still be off. So, you do not need to worry about that. So basically, I'll show you guys. So look at this. So if you're the owner of the realm, you are basically the operator, and you have permission to build, mine, and do all of that good stuff. But you can, of course, you can change your permission level to a visitor as well, which means you'll have basically zero power. And what's amazing is that you can also give this power to other people. You can make someone else an operator as well, or as it's called in its short form, OP mode. So you can build, mine, all that. You can do all of that, but along with that, you also have operator commands and the ability to teleport, which no other player who is a member of your realm will have. So the other players will just be a member, not an operator, unless you give them operator, like I said. And yeah, so basically what you need to do, all right, so just type in this command. It will be in the description down below as well. So guys, this is the command. As you can see, game rule PvP false. So it will be in the description down below as well, so you can copy paste it. And this does not just work for Pocket Edition, this will also work on your Xbox One and Windows 10 edition of Minecraft, and even Nintendo Switch and PlayStation. And so basically after you type it in, just go ahead and click on enter, and as you guys can see, so game rule PvP has been updated to false. And now you can go ahead and try and hitting your friend, and you'll see that he'll take basically no damage because PvP is turned off. Of course, you'll be able to kill mobs and all of that stuff, like hostile mobs or even cows and all of that, but you cannot just kill other players, player versus player PvP. So yeah, so this is my realm. If you're interested in joining, then definitely check out my Discord by clicking on the link in the description down below. And if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.